This video can help you not only with the faces, edges and vertices task, but also with counting the faces, counting the edges and counting the vertices activities. So use this video for all 4 of those activities. Basically, I'm going to just tell you what faces, edges and vertices are. Vertices is the fancy maths name for corners. In maths, a corner is actually on a 2D shape, but in 3D shapes we call them vertices. So if we were looking at these here, there's one corner there, 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 one corner there. This one has got 6 corners, 6 things that a kid could poke their eye out on, basically. So we're looking for one that's got 8 corners. This one over here I think might be it. It's got a corner, corner, corner and corner at the top. So that's 4 corners at the top. But it's also got 1, 2, 3, 4 corners at the bottom as well. 4 and 4 is 8. So it's this shape that has 8 corners or vertices. 10 vertices. Well, I'm going to go straight to this one. No, we'll go to the wrong ones. We'll count these. This one's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. This one down here has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at this end, but it's also got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at that end. 5 and 5 is 10. That's the one with 10 vertices. 5 vertices is that one. I'm just going to get to some of the ones with faces and edges. 9 vertices would be that one, I'm guessing quickly. Faces are the flat surfaces. Okay, think about your own face. It's a flat surface. Okay, so faces in these shapes are the flat surfaces. They're not the pointy corners and they're not the edges. These are the edges, the lines are the edges. So a shape with 10 flat surfaces. So you need to think to yourself, and this is probably the hardest one to visualize, which of these are flat. So over here, the back face there is flat. That's 1, and then this face is flat 2. The one in front of it is flat 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That one's got 8, and the bottom 9 flat surfaces. Okay, up here this end is flat, so that's 1, and of course the other end is flat, that's 2, and then it's got these rectangles running around it. It's got 1 rectangle there, so that's 3, 4, 5. This very skinny one you can hardly see. 6, 7, 8, 9, and this very skinny one you can hardly see on the background there. 10. That is the shape with 10 faces. Okay, very hard to see on the screen, I know, but just look very carefully for those lines and dotted lines. A 6-face shape. Well, I'm going to look at this one down here. I know it's not these. These have got too many. I can see that already. They've got too many. This one has got the flat face on the bottom, so that's 1. It's got the face here facing near to us, that's 2. It's got the face here facing across to the side, that's 3. And it's got this one facing over the back, that's 4. So it's not that one. Over here, we've got 1 triangle, 2 triangles, 3 triangles, a very skinny 4th triangle there, this 5th triangle facing out the front, and the pentagon on the bottom, look. So that's got 6 faces. Okay. Vertices one, it's probably going to be that one. And vertices, 5 vertices, probably that one. 10 vertices is probably that one. Looking for with edges. Here's edges. The last question. Edges are the black lines, basically. They're the edges where it folds. One with 12 edges is quite a lot. So in this case, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 edges. And then we're going to have 5 edges down the other side as well. So that's 10 edges. But we've also got these long edges. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Too many. Let's have a look at this one over here. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 edges at the top. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 edges at the bottom, but it's also got 1, 2, 3, 4 edges going up and down. 4, 4 and 4 is 12, so that's the shape with 12 edges.